Looking to install an aftermarket coolant temp gauge in your car? This little adapter can make that process a whole lot easier. What's up guys, Rick with RallySport Direct here. In front of me I have the Perrin 38mm Radiator Hose Adapter. Now you might be wondering what that is. Oh, I need to get out my trusty knife here so we can open this bad boy up. All right, so first let's see what's included. Of course, we've got some nice hose clamps, and then this will be the actual adapter itself. And of course, it's all taped in. Thanks a lot, Perrin. Ruined my video. Let me see if I can get this out. Nope, we're just gonna go gorilla style on it. Okay, good thing it's heavy duty, right? All right, so this is it. Now, you might be wondering exactly what this is for. Well, that's a very good question. So let's say you have an aftermarket coolant temp sensor gauge in your car. This will allow you to hook up any 1/8 PT sensor directly into your coolant system. Most people install this in their upper hose. It seems to be the most popular place, but I suppose you could put it in the lower one, but the upper one will generally give you the best readings for the coolant temp. So essentially what you do is you measure this diameter here, right? You're gonna cut about that amount out of your coolant hose itself, slide one in on there, slide one on there, use the supplied clamps, install your sensor, and if your sensor has a grounding strap, it also has a little tiny screw, I don't know if you guys can see that, little tiny screw that you can attach your grounding strap to as well. But being 38mm, this should work in the upper hose of pretty much any Subaru application. WRX, STI, etc. And then it's just a very cool product all around. It just provides a nice, clean, and simple installation of a coolant temp sensor. Picks up directly from the upper hose, so you always have good, proper readings and quick readings as well. And a lot of people are like, oh, well, my factory gauge cluster already has a coolant temp sensor on it. It does, kind of, if you want to call it that, but it doesn't provide very accurate readings. And so generally speaking, if your car gets hot enough to peg the sensor on your dash, chances are damage car to be done, and it's very slow to react. Where this guy with a proper gauge will give you dead-on, real-time, accurate readings. And so if something does happen, you're usually able to catch it before an actual problem occurs. So it's a very cool product. Check it out. It's all the time we've got for you today. Thanks for checking out what's in the box. See you guys next time.